Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw hyper-realistic hair using charcoal. So let's get started and draw some realistic hair together. By the way, if you're curious about the tools I'm using, I've made a separate video explaining all of them. You can find the link in the description below. Now that we've sketched the hair, let's start adding the shadow. This hair is quite dark, so I prefer to use a charcoal pencil to achieve deeper shadows. I'm using a small leftover piece of my charcoal pencil. I've placed it in a pencil holder so I can use it comfortably until it's completely finished. I draw hair-like lines that are sharp on both ends to create the darkest areas, always following the hair's natural direction. Just be careful with the direction. Each stroke should go exactly the way the hair naturally grows. After that, I'm using a brush to blend out or fade areas where I applied the charcoal pencil. I can use charcoal powder in the darker areas, but just keep in mind that you shouldn't darken the highlighted areas too much. Using a Mars Lomograph pencil 8B, we can create fine hair strands in the highlighted areas and gently blend or soften them using a stiff brush. After that, we use a mono zero eraser to lift out the highlights and add light details to the hair. These highlights should be tapered at both ends to make the drawing look natural and hyper-realistic. At the end, we repeat the same process using a brush, charcoal powder, or even a charcoal pencil. Then we compare the drawing with the reference image and try to match it more closely to achieve a realistic result. All the other parts of the hair are done using the same steps I showed you. You can watch the result of the process in time-lapse and enjoy the hyper-realistic hair rendering. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave a comment and tell me what kind of tutorial you'd like me to make next. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate your support.